going on, YouTube? Got a little project going on today here, and we're going to be installing this Memphis Shades lens kit for my 2022 Fat Ball. Without further ado, let's get into this box and see what we got going on here. It's like some pretty important instructions there. It's probably gonna tell you how to take care of it, all that good stuff. You can see everything in 4 corners, and if you look at the fairing, you'll see there's part of the rubber seal is not quite fully seated. It is going to allow for these 4 tabs to go under. So totally like down sand. In the fairings here, under the rubber trims, each one of these corners, it's not fully seated. And that's where these tabs are going to go. Alright, so we got this box pretty much opened up here, guys, and other than the windscreen, or the lens for the light, I should say, you got these hardware. You got 4 tabs. They're labeled here, if you can see that. BC, TC, you know, BT. This is all going to stand for bottom clutch, bottom throttle, top throttle. Here we got our lens. I'm actually feeling it, and it's pretty thick. Seems really nice. It's packaged well. Let's get this opened up here. Try not to drop it. Yep, it looks nice. This is really gonna make the appearance of the bike a lot cleaner. I did see another gentleman have issues with his paint rubbing off. He was on like a 1,500-mile road trip, and he was actually getting discoloration in the black from the actual paint backing off. But hopefully we don't have that problem. All right, let's get this puppy on. What we're gonna do next here is take the fairing off. Get the fairing off. You're going to want to clean up the front here a little bit, get this headlight housing, headlight all back to its good glory. Guys, there it is, clean, looks sick, mirrored out, finished. Let's grab the keys over.